My name is Julius Santiago. I'm your host for this channel. If you are a stock trader or investor, this video is for you. I'm gonna teach you how to do technical analysis the proper way. Without further ado, let's start. As you can see here on my screen, this is the PSEI index. So I'm using candles to aid me in my analysis, and I've drawn Fibonacci Retracement and Fibonacci Fan. This is what I normally use in my technical analysis. As you can see, on Monday, it started with an up candle, then followed by a bearish candle, another bearish candle, followed by a bullish candle, and it end up with a bullish candle. So let's dive in this further one by one. So as you can see here, on Monday, it ends up on this level, but Tuesday, it doesn't broke this up trend part of the candle. So it's a thing that you need to take note that when that happens, the next following day will be a downtrend. But this one, this Fibonacci pan becomes a great support here. Why? This candle, when it moves down further like that, it comes back up, so and ends the day on this level, 7,000. That means when the bulls try to pull back, the bulls fight back, and on the following day, it started with a strong bullish candle, and the week ended with a strong bullish candle. But take note this part. This has been broken, the 73,000 level. So watch out in the next week, this level. When this will be broken, the next support will be this resistance level. And the next resistance level, when you go further on this graph, it's around this 7,000. I think this will be bullish on the next week. Why? You see, this volume here, it's moving back up. So that means this part, these two candles are strong indication that the bulls are taking over. So watch out for that next week. And in this week's video, this is all about it. So if you like this kind of video, like this channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that when I upload video, you will be notified. And if you want me to feature a particular stock, comment in the description what stock you want me to feature, and I will help you do the technical analysis for that particular stock. And watch out for upcoming videos. I'll be featuring a lot. So thank you for watching. Bye bye, God bless, and have a great day.